Hey class, welcome to the discussion board. So today I'm going to show you how you start your discussion board. So we'll click on number 2, discussion board. And the first thing you want to do is read through the prompt and the directions. So the important thing you need to know is that you're not going to be able to see any of the other classmates' responses until you actually post. A post means that you actually write something in this box down here. All right. The reason that it's been organized that way is so that you can't copy what others say. So you'll want to make sure that your post is 75 to 100 words long, and you want to make sure that you respond by April 8th, which is Wednesday. Okay, so let me show you a great way that you can start writing your prompt. Okay, I like to start it in a Word document. This way you can make sure that your words are spelled correctly and that it's organized with proper punctuation. So the first thing that you want to do is you'll want to go over to your prompt here and copy and paste it, okay? So the way you copy and paste is you are going to highlight it, press the button on your keyboard that says CTRL, and then you're going to press the C button, and that's going to copy your prompt, okay? And then you can see I'm going to do Control V, and bingo, look, I've copied it onto my Word document, okay? Now I'm ready to start typing. So my prompt asks me what I did for the last 3 weeks. So remember, we're going to reuse words from our prompt. I have been out of school for 3 weeks. I'm going to pause the video while I write the rest. Okay, here I've actually finished writing my prompt, okay? The great thing that I like about writing our prompts in Word is that when I highlight it, I can actually see here at the bottom how many words I've written. So right now I've written 101 words. I've finished the requirement for my prompt. I have a capital and period at the end of my sentences. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Again, I'm going to do Control C, and then I'm going to go in here, Control V, and guess what? Bada bing, bada boom, it's there. And I press post. Woo! Look at that, amazing! I made my first post, okay? So I can't wait to see all the amazing things you've done. Have a great day.